I'm Jen Keenan, and these are the building blocks of real estate. So you want to renovate your kitchen and you have an older home. Some things that I've learned that I'd like to share with you about renovating a kitchen in an older home. Start with learning about how your home is constructed. If it's on the older side, it's a little bit tighter than some of the newer homes. You have less room in your walls to work with things like venting and ductwork. Look at your ceiling height because you can only do so much with the height that you have, and it's really hard to gain new height or more height if possible. Also, look at your doorways. How wide are they? Are they too narrow for today's appliances? And do you need to make adjustments during the construction process? And lastly, something that I had to figure out were my floors. Are your floors level from room to room? Are there thresholds? What's your subfloor like? Can you have level floors across? So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.